Hello boys and welcome to this week's phonics lesson. Let's start our phonics like we always do by going over the sounds we know. Let's look in our star and say the sounds together. Ready? N, k, I, h, k, g, p, t, a, o, j, o, l, I, b, e, m, f, d, r, a, s. Well done. Our phonic sound this week is E or. E or. Now, let's have a little look at what our action is going to be. So let's look at what the boys are doing here. We have two hands up above our head. Can you do that for me? And that's E. And then let's look at this other person, and he is putting his fingers down for or. So we're going to flap our hands up for E and put your hands down for or, like a donkey's ears. Can you practice that for me? E or, E or. Can you do it one more time? E or. Well done. Now we're going to listen to our song and our jingle and then our story like we always do. So when we hear our E or sound, our E or phonic in the song, we'll do our actions.
See the donkey in its stall, E-O, is its call.
Well done. Did you do your actions? Now let's listen to our jingle and listen out for your sound, E or.
E-or is what the donkey say. E-or is the sound they make as they bray.
Well done. Did you hear your E or sound? E or. These two sounds put together make the sound E. These two sounds put together make the sound or. These are digraphs when two sounds are put together to make a new sound. Now we're going to listen to our story. When you hear your E sound or your or sound in the story, I want you to put both of your hands on your head. Practice that for me now. Both of your hands on your head. So each time you hear E and or in your story, that's your little action.
An old donkey and some sheep live out in the country next to a small cornfield. Nora, JC, and Jakeem like to go and talk to the donkey. Whenever they go and see him, they take him a carrot. The donkey is always very pleased to see them. When he hears or sees them all coming down the road, he brays, E-O, E-O, and waggles his ears up and down in greeting. One August morning, the children go for a walk to see the donkey. E-O, E-O, he calls out happily. Hello, old friend, they reply. They give the donkey the carrot they had brought for him and stand and watch him eat it. The carrot comes from my garden, says Nora. I have lots of carrots and lots of sweet corn growing there. As they are talking to the donkey, big fat raindrops begin to fall. Behind them is a large black rain cloud. I think we'd better get home quickly, says JC. As he says it, there's a big clap of thunder. Quick, there's a storm coming. We will have to run home as fast as we can. The children run off, waving to the donkey, and promise to come and see him another day.
Well, did you do your action when you heard E and or in your story? Can you remember any E or words that were in the story? Well, let's move to the next part. Let's look at how we write E and or. Around, up, down, back, around. So we have just written E. Now we're writing or. All the way around, back up, flick out, straight down, back up, and or. We have written E and or. We will practice this more in another activity. If you want to press pause now and use your finger to trace over your sounds on the screen, you can do that now. E and or. E or. Let's look at what we have here. We have our new digraph E and our other new digraph or. And we have other digraphs we have done over the last while. We have A, I, and O. So as I point to them, I would like you to sound them out for me. Are you ready? O. Next one. E. Next one. I. This one. Or. And the last one is A. Well done. Let's look up here at all of our photos. We have 5 pictures in front of us. We are going to see what digraph is in each of these sounds, in each of these words. So what is this that we see here? Did you guess it? It is a fork. What is the middle sound we hear in fork? Or k, fork. It is this sound. Well done. Fork. We see or in here. Let's look here. What is this weather showing us? It's showing us rain. Rain. Can you find that digraph for me? Rain. Here we go. Rain. Did you guess correct? There's our A digraph. What is this one? This is a B. B-E. Which digraph says E? This one. Let's see, are we correct? We are. Good job. What's this one here? It's a boat. B-O-T. Boat. What digraph is in the middle of that word? Oh, well done. B-O-T. Last one. This is a tie. T-I. Which leaves us with our last digraph, tie. We have fork, rain, bee, boat, and tie. Let's do some blending. We have or k, fork. Can you see our new digraph in here? Or, fork. Next one is a nice big word. Let's sound it out together. K-a-f-e, coffee, coffee. That's a nice big word. There, here is our new digraph. E, coffee. Let's blend this word to read it. G-er-een. Green, green. Can you see it? Can you see our new digraph? E. Now, you try this word by yourself. Get ready? Good. Did you get Jeep? Jeep. And one more. Try this one for me. Did you get sleep? Sleep? Good job. So our digraph this week is E and or. E or, like what a donkey says. Let's read our words. For, see, sport, meat, corn, and feed. Our digraph was E or.